Hello students, myself Dattatreya Chopde and today we will study about the knocking in CI engine. So let's start the video. So first thing which comes into mind is what is knocking. So knocking is nothing but the high pitched metallic ringing sound which we can hear during the engine operation. So what is the phenomenon of this knocking? How this knocking occurs in the CI engine we will study in this video. The combustion knock in CI engines is associated with an extremely high rate of pressure rise during the second phase of the combustion, which is also called as rapid or uncontrolled combustion. So basically this phenomenon of knocking occurs in the second phase of the combustion where the pressure rise is very rapid and also it is accompanied with the heavy vibrations, thus causing the overheating of the piston, overheating of the cylinder head. There is a drop in power, there is a damage to the bearings, and there is a possible piston seizure. So this knocking is also accompanied by the vibrations. As there is a pressure rise, there are vibrations are also accompanied with this, and this results in the reduction in the power output, damage to the bearings, damage to the piston head, cylinder head, piston crown, and there can be possible piston seizure also. The injection process of the fuel takes place over a definite period of time in terms of degrees of the crank angle. As a result, the first few drops which are injected into the chamber pass through the ignition delay phase while the additional droplets are being injected into the chamber. So when the injection takes place, it requires a certain amount of time in terms of degrees of the crank angle. Hence, the first few droplets which are injected into the combustion chamber are passed through the ignition delay phase and subsequently the additional droplets are being injected into the combustion chamber. In this diagram, we can see there is a start of the injection point, this, then there is a end of the injection, this point, and between these two there is a start of combustion point. So the distance between these two start of the combustion and start of the injection is also called as the delay period or ignition lag. And in this diagram we can see this is the P theta diagram, P theta curve. On this P theta curve there is also start of injection and start of combustion point, and between these points there is a ignition delay or delay period occurs. Normally the fuel injection period is more than the delay period. If the delay period is short, the first few droplets commence the burning phase in a relatively shorter time and a relatively small amount of fuel is accumulated in the combustion chamber when the actual burning commences. So if the ignition delay period is very small, then the very first few droplets which are injected into the combustion chamber undergoes this ignition delay or ignition lag phase and commences the burning. So as there are no extra fuel droplets present into the combustion chamber, as the time is very short, hence at the start of the combustions the fuel available for spontaneous burning is very less, hence the rate of pressure rise is also limited. As a result, the rate of burned mass of fuel will be such as to produce the rate of pressure rise that will exert a smooth force on the piston as shown in figure B. And what happens due to this limited rate of pressure rise? It will exert a smooth force on the pistons and the engine operation is smooth. While on the other hand, in this figure, the delay period is relatively larger than the first phase. If on the other hand, the delay period is longer, the burning of the first few droplets is delayed and therefore a greater quantity of fuel droplets will accumulate into the chamber. In this delay period is relatively larger that we have seen in the figure A. Hence, if this delay period is longer, the more fuel droplets will get accumulated into the combustion chamber. When the actual burning commences, means after the start of the combustion, the additional fuel may cause the rapid rate of pressure rise as shown in figure B. So, if you compare the figure A and B, this slope of this curve from the start of the combustion to this top dead center, this slope is more. What does this mean? The rate of pressure rise is more in this case than the figure A. Hence, there is a rough operation than the figure A. Means in the first phase there is a smooth rise in the pressure and the engine operation is smooth. Then there is a steep rise in the pressure, hence the engine operation somewhat becomes rough. And now if we further increase the delay period, as we can see in this diagram, the delay period is larger than the figure A and figure B in this case. So if the delay period is too long, much fuel will get accumulated in the combustion chamber, resulting in instantaneous rise in the pressure. So due to this lengthier delay period, the fuel injection is already taking place. So the more fuel will accumulate in the combustion chamber, and this will give rise to the instantaneous pressure into this combustion chamber. Such a situation produces pressure waves striking on the cylinder walls, piston crowns, and cylinder heads, and causing the knock and vibrations. So what happens due to this very steep pressure rise into the combustion chamber? There are the pressure waves which strikes the wall of the cylinder and strike back, and they mix with each other, forming the different amplitudes into this combustion chamber, and consequently gives rise to a highly pitched metallic ringing sound, which is also called as knock, and this is accompanied by the vibrations. So in fact, the combustion mechanism in diesel engine is based on the auto ignition, and hence mild knock may always be present. As the basis for the working of this compression ignition engine is the auto ignitions, hence during the engine operation, auto ignition will always present, hence the knocking is always present, only the magnitude is very low. So when it exceeds a certain limit, the engine is said to be knocking. Though the very long delay improves the mixing process of the fuel and air and makes the mixture more homogeneous, it helps the process of auto ignition and makes the engine more prone to knock. So this is about the phenomenon of the knocking. Thank you. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to departmental YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering GHRIM Jalgaon.